Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my new filming room. I am so excited to be sitting in front of the camera filming this video for you guys. I am in my new house. Spencer and I had just recently moved home for his career, and I was lucky enough to be able to have my own beauty room slash filming room in the new house. So that is where we are right now. So this is my very first video that I'm filming in the new house for you guys. In this video, I will be featuring some products that I have never used before, and they are all by Nip Fab. So this is the products right here. So I have this eyeshadow palette. This is their O2 Fired Up palette. It has a good array of shimmers and mattes in this palette. This product I'm really intrigued to try out. This is a mattifying pore minimizing primer mask. So this is a primer mask, so I don't need to use a primer or anything before putting my foundation on. This mask is going to do it for me. So I'm really intrigued and excited to try this product out. And then the last two that I have here, this is the mascara and the liquid liner. All four of these products look and sound amazing. But before we jump into the tutorial and open up these new products, make sure to follow me on all of my social media. I have it all listed right here for you guys. I have my Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. I'm always posting over there. As well, if you want to check out my website, which is right here, it is shaunaemily.com, where I post all of my blog posts. But without further ado, guys, let us jump right into this makeup tutorial and trying out these new to me Nip Fab products. Let's unfold the mask and apply directly onto clean, makeup-free skin. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes. Massage remaining liquid into the face for a dewy base. Discard mask after use. So just the stereotypical way of applying a sheet mask. Let's go ahead and open it. There we go. It smells good. Oh my gosh, it's a gold mask. It says priming face mask for an instant mattifying effect, made with skin-loving ingredients to prepare complexion for makeup application. Wow, I didn't know it was gold, but okay. Oh, it's cold. Oh my god, it's so cold. Okay, so it's on. I will be back with you guys in 15 minutes. So I'm going to take this mask off. Oh. And we're just going to go ahead and rub in all the excess product. Alright, so that has all soaked in and my skin is nice and tacky now. So it feels strange, but I'm going to go right into my Fenty Beauty foundation. This is the Pro Filter foundation in the color 150. Just 150, that's it. And we're going to go ahead and just apply that to my Real Techniques buffing brush. And we'll go ahead and apply that as usual. And we'll see what the finish is like over this priming mask. It seems to be going on really nicely. Of course, as always with this foundation, like, a lot of people think it's high coverage, but I don't. So I always do double up on layering this foundation when I want more of a full foundation, full coverage, that is. So I'm just going to speed this up here for you guys, and I will be back really quick once I have finished my foundation and concealer and setting and all that jazz. Okay, so my base is completed. I also did eyebrows and everything for my base is completed aside from highlighter. So I have foundation, contour, bronzer, blush, all that stuff. And I just have to say, like, I really, really like how my skin is looking right now. Like, it's nice and matte as how I usually like my base to look, but I feel like my foundation went on even better with this primer mask. So I'm really, really impressed with this. And yeah, I'm just really liking how it's looking right now. So that's awesome. So let's go ahead and start the eye makeup look. So we're going to go into this palette right here. This is the Nip Fab eyeshadow palette, their #2 Fired Up palette. Now all of these are pretty warm toned colors. They do have a good mix of matte and shimmer, so it looks like they've kind of paired up all the colors. Like this is a shimmer purple, and then this is the matte version of it kind of thing. And same here, like shimmery orange and then kind of a matte, shimmery pinkish and then the matte, same with these browns. And then there's like these two, they're both shimmers, but yeah, like it's a really nice looking palette. I haven't used it before other than swatching it. I have swatched these 3 colors right here. So I'm really excited to use this palette. I think because there are so many warm tones in this palette, I'm kind of wanting to use these 2 purples. So I'm just going to do a very, very simple eyeshadow look with this palette today. First of all, I'm going to pick up this brush here. This is from Sigma. It is their E40 tapered blending brush. I'm going to pick up this matte purple right here, which is called Purple Smoke, which is super fitting. Picking that up on the brush, tapping it off, and I'm going to go right in with this color as my transition color. And we're just going to play this up in my crease until I get the intensity that I want. So right off the bat, I can see the color there pretty well. It's not super pigmented, it's not a super dark color, so I am going to build it up. I can see this is going to be a really nice crease color. Alright, so now I have the purple matte color, the Purple Smoke I think it was called, yeah, in my crease, and it has applied really nicely and blended out really nicely as well. Next up, I'm going to apply this purple color all over my lid. This is called Amethyst, so this is the purple shimmer version of these 2 colors, and I'm just going to be picking that up on this Sigma brush. This is their E45 small tapered blending brush. I'm just gonna try and use this to pack the color onto my lid. Okay, trying to push it onto the lid to prevent any fallout. That's a really nice color. And it's nice that these purple colors are called Amethyst. It's super fitting since Amethyst is my birthstone. There is just a little bit of fallout, but that's okay. We'll take care of that right away. So right then and there, that's already a really good amount of the shadow on my lid. I'm going to go in with the original brush we used and just blend that into the crease color a bit. Next up, I'm going to pick up the Nip Fab eyeliner in the #1 black color. This is the applicator right here. It's a very thick felt tip liner brush, which is okay. I like felt tip liners. So let's go ahead and create a winged liner here. So I always start on the outer corner and pull it up towards the end of my eyebrow. Like so, and then I'll start from the outside and pull it all the way in across my lid. Like that, and then I'll just fill it all in. I really like the applicator for that liquid liner. It is a thicker felt tip on it, which I do like, although it was harder to get really precise at the outer corner, so I will have to fix that up a little bit, but that's okay. I do want to move ahead right now to lashes. So I'm going to quickly curl my lashes, then I'm going to be using the Nip Fab mascara here. This is the applicator for the mascara. It's one of the bigger, fluffier brushes, which is okay because I like those type of mascara brushes. I'm going to pick up some of the matte purple color that we used on this E40 brush earlier and just bringing that right underneath my lower lash line. and smoking that out below. And then just applying the same mascara to my lower lash line. This mascara is super black. But yeah, I really like the look that it gave my lashes. They're very wispy looking. It does take a while to dry though, like my upper lashes aren't even dry yet. Of course, I'm going to be a little extra and add some lashes to this look. These are lashes by Eyeshadow Cosmetics, and they are in the style So Me, so more of a wispy looking lash adding to this look. And I'll be using my Duo Lash Adhesive. This is the brush-on one, which I totally prefer. I find it dries and goes a lot tackier than the squeeze bottle kind. And of course, using my Tarte Tarteist Lash Applicator. Okay, so the lashes are on. Next up, I just want to do some highlighting. So I'm going into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Highlighting Glow Kit. And I'm going to be taking this purple highlighter color here called Spectra, which will just really like tie in with the purple eye look. So I'm just going to use this. This is my SL Miss Glam L36 highlighting brush. I'm just going to pick up a tad of the Spectra highlighter color and then bring that all onto the usual spots where you would highlight, so the cheekbones. I'm also going to add it to my nose, as well as the inner corners of my eyes and my brow bone as well. We are super purple today. And to finish off the look, I am going to be applying this product to my lips. This is one of the Revlon Ultra HD Matte lip colors in the color Devotion. I've had this for a while, but I love this color. It's the perfect pink matte lip color. And there we go. This is the finished makeup look. I really like how it turned out. I haven't done a purple smoky eye in so long, but I am so impressed with this eyeshadow palette. And this, oh, I just got juice from this thing all over the place. It's on my chest. As well as the mattifying primer mask. Like, I had never heard of a primer mask before, but I am all for it because I am really happy with how my base turned out. So I'll definitely be picking up more of these, and I do know that they have a dewy version of this primer mask as well. These three products here, so the mascara, the eyeliner, and this eyeshadow palette all came in a pack together, like it was a combo pack that was on Nip Fab's website. So all the products that I've used from Nip Fab will be linked down below in the description box for you guys in case you are interested and want to try any of these out. But yeah, that is it for this makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already by clicking my little red subscribe button on my YouTube homepage, as well as the little bell notification button right beside it, so you get notified every time I put up a new video, which is weekly on Wednesdays. But that is it from me, guys. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in next week's video. Bye, guys.